Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me, Moshedul Haq, lecturer in mathematics. Most welcome to my channel, Moshe Maths Tutorial. Hello viewers and my dear students, how are you today? Hopefully you are fine. Today we are going to solve two important problems from chapter 9. I mean motion of particles in a plane. This one is very important for board exam. One question must be come from this chapter, I mean chapter 9. So don't miss it. I hope my dear students you are with me. Try to join, but don't forget to write down your name and student ID when you join. Okay, within 2 minutes we will start our topic. Okay, at first I want to see your attendance. Okay, try to join my dear student. Uh, Ridwan Haq join. Okay. Muhammad Arif join. What about others? Shahidur Rahman join. Anita বিশ্বাস join. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. Umme Habiba also join. Okay. We have seen there are three questions are there. Okay. These three questions are very important. So Mohatasin Bashar also join. Nahim Tobi join. Try to join my dear student. Okay, within 1 minute we'll start our topic. Wajiha Ibn join, Maimuna Tony join. What about Shiti, Hafiza, Larissa, Jarin Taslim join? Thank you very much. Okay. So what about others? Okay, Shazir Rahman. 1059. লাইক কমেন্ট দিয়ে দাও, লাইক দিতে তোমাদের খুব বেশি কষ্ট হবে না হয়। Okay, so let's get started, my dear students. See, we have seen the three questions are there. So the first one is very important, and this one came unlimited time in various uh, world. So the greatest resultant, first one, the greatest resultant. Previous class I discussed when greatest result happened, when least resultant happened means when alpha equals 0, then the greatest resultant when alpha equal to 180 means included angle between two velocities. That time we'll get when alpha equal to 180, that time we'll get least resultant. When alpha equal to 0, you'll get greatest result. So greatest resultant means if you consider this one R, we can say U plus V means greatest resultant. Of two velocities means U plus V, if you consider, is n times the least resultant of the velocity. Least resultant, if you consider Q, that time we can say U minus V. And according to question, this one equal to R equal to n times of Q. Means greatest resultant is n times of as small as least resultant. Okay, that's all. This one is Q1. If the resultant is half of the algebraic sum of the two velocities. Means the sum algebraic sum of two velocities means u plus v is half, means half of this one equal to resultant. So there are two things are there, means two steps. First one is greatest resultant is n times of least resultant. This one first step, and second step is resultant is half of the sum of the velocities, means u plus v by 2. Okay, number one is finished. Number two, a man can swim directly across a river of width 100 meter in 4 minutes when there is no current, in 5 minutes when there is current. Find the velocity of the current. You will do this one with the help of one formula. This one is very easy. If you know the formula, please inform me. Do you know the formula? This one or this one, you can with the help of figure also you can draw. I mean, where u be the velocity of the current and v be the velocity of the current along OC where there is no current. Sorry, and straight there is a velocity when there is current. You can do like this way. That time you have to find the velocity using S equal to Vt formula. That time you can find V. Then again Paragon law of velocity means R square equal to U square plus V square plus twice U because of you can have this way also, or only simply using one formula you can solve this one easily. Okay, I'll show you. No, don't worry. Number three, show that the resultant of two equal velocities beside the angle between them. Previous class I discussed this one. When you consider velocities are equal, I mean u equal to u, that time you will get the resultant of two equal velocities. The angle by bisect the angle between them means alpha by 2 you will get. Okay, so let's get it. So we can start. Have you finished your writing? Please inform me. Maria Walker also join. Please inform me. Have you finished your writing or not? Okay, Anandita finished her writing. What about others? These three questions you will get what in Nazrul Islam and Katabuddin book and Washim Kumar Shah also. Okay, Shantida Jannat also join. So let's start our problem. You can remember this one here. Width of the river 100 meter, time 4 minutes when there is no current, and in 5 minutes when there is current. Find the velocity of the current. You have to find u. Okay. See, at first you have to draw the figure. Here you can consider u, and here you can consider v velocities and include an angle between them alpha. O A, you can mention OA CD solution. Let the two velocities be u and v when u greater than v. Okay. Therefore, the greatest resultant you can consider this one are equal to u plus v, and the least resultant q equal to u minus v. ATQ R equal to this one n times of least resultant means R equal to n multiplied by q. Now you can put the value R equal to u plus b and into u minus b, or u plus v by, if we divide this one, u minus b, you will get n. So u plus b divided by u minus b equal n. Dividing both sides by u minus b, then you get like this way. Now by using component 2 and dividend 2, you will get one thing, and u by b you will get by component 2 and dividend 2, u plus b plus component 2 means numerator plus denominator. You did for you have got in grade 9 also ratio and proportion in the book. So u plus b minus u plus b. If there is nothing is there, it will be 1 n plus 1 divided by n minus 1 by component 2 and dividend 2. Tanvi Hami will join. It's too late. Salma Yasmin also join. So am I clear to you? See, let's see here. Plus b minus b goes to cancel, and plus u minus u goes to cancel. So the remaining values are u plus u means 2u and 2v divided by 2v, 2 to cancel. Then you get u by v equal to n plus 1 divided by n minus 1. Okay. Or 2u by 2v equal n plus 1 by n minus 1, or okay, I drop this one. So next line will be u by v equal to n plus 1 by n minus 1. Therefore, u equal n plus 1 n minus 1 into v. This one you can consider equation 1. Okay, again, resultant. Again, the resultant is half of the algebraic sum of two velocities. Means w equal to half of u plus v. Okay, or w equal to, now we can put the value of u, then we'll get n plus 1 by n minus 1 multiplied by v plus v. Okay, so taking LCM, here there is nothing is there, 1, so we are at minus 1. Now taking LCM and minus 1, then you will get w equal to half of n plus 1 plus n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 into v. Because taking v as a common here and there, that's why you can take by taking v as a common. Then plus 1 minus 1 goes to cancel, you will get w equal to half of 2n by n minus 1 into v, 2 to cut here. Therefore, w equal to n by n minus 1 into v. This one you can consider equation 2. Now, you can apply from the paragon law of two velocities are square root to u square plus v square plus 2uv cos alpha. That's what formula you can apply. W and U, then you get the result of cos alpha. Clear, my dear student? Now you can write from the paragon law of velocities, we get Yes, see, u plus u, 2u, and b plus b, 2b, 2 by 2 cancel. U by v equal to here, u by v equal to n plus 1 by n minus 1. Shadidul finished? Have you finished your writing? Okay, Faizal doing, always lead comer. Yes, Tanvi will have been present. Okay, now you can write from the Bergum law of velocities. So we need to prove cos alpha equal n square plus 2 by 2 into 1 minus square. So I want to write this one. Cos alpha equal to n square plus 2 by 2 into 1 minus n square. We need to prove this one. Prove that. Because I want to wrap this one that time. We did it. From the parallelogram law of velocities, we get w square to u square plus b square plus 2ub cos alpha. Okay. Now we can put the value of w and u. U means n plus 1 by n minus 1 into v, and w means n by n minus 1 into v. Now we can put the substituting the value of u and w. So we will get w means n by n minus 1 into v. So n by n minus 1 into v whole square, and u means n plus 1 by n minus 1 whole square and b square plus b square 2 into n plus 1 into n minus 1 n minus 1. Here also v and v goes to b square cos alpha. Okay, now you can remove the bracket, take out the bracket, we will get n square by n minus 1 whole square, b square, n plus 1 whole square. It's going separately, you can write n minus 1 whole square, b square plus 2 into n plus 1 by n minus 1 b square cos alpha. This one very easy, just simplifying. If you simplify this one, then easily you'll get the result. Here, my dear student. Now let's see for n square n minus 1 whole square b square. Here, what is the LCM? For one thing not mentioned here, plus b square. Okay, so n minus 1 whole square is LCM. You can write n plus 1 whole square, this one directly. See b square and b square. Each and everywhere this one taking common b square and also b square. This one goes to cancel. Clear. So there is nothing is there. So this one directly multiply n minus 1 whole square plus 2 into n plus 1. If we divide this one by that one, we will get n minus 1. So cos alpha. This cannot count because taking this square common here, here, and here. Then here also, so this one goes to cancel. Okay, or n square n minus 1 c, and minus 1 and n minus 1 whole square is here, so we can cancel this one, only you can write n square. If you have any confusion, please let me know. Any confusion, Maria? It's too late. Okay. If you face any doubt in calculation, please let me know, because this is a very simple calculation. I hope so. What about your opinion? Please let me know. Any confusion? Okay. So here in grade 8 or grade 7 also, we have learned one formula: a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square means 2 into a square plus b square. 2 into a square plus b square means a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Now, here this one is given. Now we can write 2 into a square plus b square. A square means n square, and b square means 1 square. 1 square means 1, plus 2 into a plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. B square means 1 square. 1 square you can write only 1 cos alpha. Now we need to transform transfer this one, we said left side and other terms, transfer to what? Right side. Then you will get the result. So okay. Or 2 into, when this one goes to left side, here minus sign, minus goes to plus, but this one plus position, this plus position goes to minus cos alpha. Okay, so this one left side goes to left side, and this term goes to right side. So we can write, so if you take out the bracket, you will get 2n square plus 2 minus n square, because this one previous left side, when this one right side, that can be minus. Or what is, we need to prove that cos alpha equal to n square plus 2 divided by 2 into 1 minus n square. So I want to finish this one. So cos alpha equal c. Here 2 n square minus n square. So only n square remaining. So we can write n square plus 2 divided by 2 into 1 minus n square. So this is the required result. Proved. Okay, any confusion or not? Response me. Okay, on the research here. If you finish your writing, then we'll move for question number. Maimunatani, why is it not n square minus 1 cos alpha? N square minus n square minus 1 c. This one right, this one right side. When this one goes to left side, then side sign. See here minus sign. When minus sign goes to what? Left side, it will be plus, and this one plus side. When this one goes to left side, it will be minus. Dear Tony, it's very simple. Okay. So now let's move to question number two. A man can swim directly. This one, do you know the formula? By using one formula, you can solve it very easily. This one, I hope so. So this one in your book, in Nazrul Islam and Katabuddin, reader, you get this one. Okay, this one, page 253, example 3, a man swims. Sorry, this one you'll get exercise 9A. Exercise 9A, question number 2D. Page 256. A man can swim directly across a river of width 100 meters in 4 minutes when there is no current. So here two times are there. One is 4 minutes and the other is 5 minutes. When there is no current, that time it takes 4 minutes. When there is current, that time a swimmer can take 5 minutes. And total width of the river is 100 meters. Find the velocity of the current. Do you know the formula? Do you know? Nobody? Okay, see. Very easy. Here, two number. Given that breadth of the river or width of the river, here this one is mentioned. Uh, Width of the river, width of the river equal to 100 s. S equals 100 meter time T1 equal 4 minutes time T2 equal 5 minutes. Therefore, velocity of the current equal S into the square root of 1 by T1 square minus 1 by T2 square. Just simply by using this formula, you easily will get the result. But previous time you learn this one like this. There is a one river is there, so this one what width of the river we can consider like this, and there is a one velocity of the current along OA. I mean what along OA, and another velocity of the swimmer. I mean man like this. This one B OC, and there is a one resultant is there. This is when there is no current. And when there is current, that time will be like this. This one and this one parallelogram. So you can consider this one also B and this one W. Okay. So without this one, you need to solve like this way. Without the river would equal to 100 meter. U be the velocity of the current. Okay, first of all, I want to show this one. So width of the river S means 100. 1 by T1 means 4 square minus 1 by T2 means 5 square. Now tell me what is the result. No, this one, if you want to solve another way, that time you need to solve, draw the figure only time. But when by using this formula, don't need to draw the figure. Okay. Okay, I'll show you another method. Which method you can like. responsibility. This one or that one? I think this one is very what you need to write down elaborately like this, but by using this one, you will get 4 marks. 0.25 meter per second. No, it will be maybe whole number. Yes, 15 meter, 15 minute per second. 15 minute meter per minute. Not needed, convert to not needed second. Just you can write 15 minute, 15 meter per minute. Okay, because in your book answer like this 15 meter per minute. So because this one not physics, this one maths, you can write down directly. So 15 meter per minute. Don't need to convert meter per second. Okay. So which one is easy for you? This one, or you can want to write down elaborately. Which one? Okay, I'll show you this one also. Okay, Shadidu, these are not mistake. 0.25 meter per second is okay also. No problem. Formula is easy for you. Amrita, good. Yes, formula is better. Thank you very much. But just I want to elaborate this one. Just how can you write this one in physics way? See, here you can write let u be the velocity of the coil. Second method, in this one very disgusting. U be the velocity of the current, velocity of the current along acting along with v be the velocity of the swimmer, c of the swimmer when there is no current. There is no current, and O will be the velocity of the man, of the swimmer when there is current. When there is current. So by condition you have to find the velocity which formula s equal to vt or v equal to s by t. That formula you need to apply. So when v that time 100 by 4 means 25 meter per minute, and the resultant w equal to 100 by 5. There is no current, but there is current. 100 by 5, 20 meter per minute. Okay. Now in right angle triangle OAB, this one is 90 degree. So in right angle triangle OAB, applying Pythagoras theorem. Oh, Pythagoras is like too much. That's why I want to apply here Pythagoras theorem. But another method you can apply W cos equal to U plus B like this. So I like this method. So that's why you can apply Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle OAB, you can write OA square plus OB square equal to AB square. I mean in triangle OAB, U square plus W square equal to V square. I need to find here U, or U square means V square minus W square, or U square means 25 square minus 20 square, or U square means 2 to 5, for you means 15 meter per minute. Alas. I think this one also easy for you. Clear, my dear student? Now you can write down what I think it's so easy for you. So this topic. Now you can mark. You can mark Nazrul Islam and Kitabuddin. You can write down the homework. That is 253. Okay. Please you can mark down because this one is quite easy for you. So please note down and you can mark your reader. Example 3, this one, Nazrul Islam and Kitabuddin book. It's a very, very important question. A man swim directly across a following river in time T1 and he swims at distance equal to breadth like this. So you have to prove that you can write down just this thing. Homework velocity, homework number 1, page 253, Nazrul Islam and Kitabuddin book, like this. Prove that this is an example question, but it's very, very easy. Important, sir. T by T1 equal to root U plus B ratio root U minus B. Okay, when U greater than B. Number 2, example 4, this one. A ship start from a port with velocity 15 km per hour towards this northwest direction. Another ship started simultaneously from the same port towards southeast with velocity 12 km per hour. If there is like this, how long may the ship? So we can write down the gist. How long may the ships expect to remain in touch? This is also example 4 in Katabuddin book. Okay, exercise 9a. The resultant of two velocities u and v at a point is w. Show that the angle between the two velocities is cos inverse v minus u by v and w equal to root v square minus u square plus 2uv. This one you need to prove that. Prove that. Okay. Full number I gave this one. Show that the resultant of two equal velocities bisect the angle between them. Bisects the angle between them. This one very, very important question. Between them. I mean when you can consider u equal to u and two velocities are equal. Okay. Next one. Prove that velocity of the current. This one, exercise 9a 256, 2e number. Velocity of the current. Velocity of the current S equal to 1 by T1 square minus 1 by T2 square. Okay, that's all. Next class, I will discuss what depth of the whale, greatest height, and time of flight. I think you learn this one. Time, greatest height, time of flight, twice the time of rise of fall, like this means here G is there. Okay. So don't waste your time. Try to waste your time. Thank you for watching and thank you for this session. Okay. Best of luck. Please let me know about your thoughts. Be happy and expect happiness. Okay. And don't forget to one thing, like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Masalama. Tata.